Okay, welcome back students. So last time we are solving the 2023 IGCSE past paper. Here we have question number 3. Okay, so in this question we have one right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle we have two sides and not any angle are given. So we see what we are finding. So the area of the triangle is 60 centimeter square. Okay, show that this one. Okay, so we want to calculate, we want to find this quadratic equation. So first we see the area of a triangle. So area that is equals to half into base into height, right? What is the base? Base is 2x plus 5, this one. And what is the height? That is this one. So we just simply plug out the values and we have already area that is 60 or 1 over 2 times b, that is 2x plus 5, right? And the h we have, that is the x plus 3, right? So we have 60 on this side, so it's multiplying on the another side. So 2 times 60, 2 times 60 we have 120. Okay, 120, that is equals to 2x plus 5, and we have x plus 3, right? So we multiply the brackets with each other. That means 120 equals to 2x times x, we have the 3x. Oh, 2x times x, sorry, we have the 2x square. Okay, wait, 2x square, and then 2x times 3, so we have 6x, right? Then 5 times x should be 5x, and 5 times 3, that is 15. So we get, then we add them together. So 120 equals to 2x square, and 6 plus 5, 11x plus 15, right? Now we simplify that one. So 120 is moving on another side, so it should be negative 120. So we get 2x square plus 11x, negative 120 plus 15, so we get the value negative 105 equals to 0. So you see that this one that we finding here and this one both are same, so this is the answer. Now we do the factorization of that one into the another part. Okay, so it's up to you. You apply the quadratic formula or you just do the factorization by breaking middle term. So I just do the factorization by middle term. So we find the first we have 2 times 105, that should be negative 210. Okay, so we find two numbers that should be add up to 11, right? So 21 times negative 10, it's the answer of that one. So 2x square, and we have the plus 21x, and we have the negative 10x, and then negative 105 equals to 0. When you multiply it, so you get this one, and when you solve this one, like add or subtract this one, so you get 11x, right? Now we take the factor into the first two, so that is x, so we get 2x plus 21, right? Now we take the negative 5, so we same get 2x plus 21, that is equals to 0. So we have the two brackets here, x minus 5 and 2x plus 21, that is equals to 0. So x minus 5 equals to 0, so x equals to 5, right? And 2x plus 21 equals to 0, so we get 2x equals to negative 21, and x equals to negative 21 over 2, that is negative 10.5. So the first value is 5 and the second value we have, that is the negative 10.5. Okay, so this one is the clear. Now we have we know that since this is a positive one, so we just selected this one, right? Now in the next part, calculate angle ACB. Okay, so first we see what is the angle ACB we have. Okay, so we see angle ACB. Now what is the value of x? So we already find the value of x into the above part, that is 5, right? So we just collect the positive value, pick the positive value. Now first we work out onto the side AC, okay? Side AC means this one. Okay, so side AC is opposite to angle B, right? And adjacent to angle C, right? So that means x plus 3 equals to 5, right? So x plus 3 equals to x plus 3. What is the value of x? X is 5. So 5 plus 3 equals to 8 centimeter, right? Now we move to the side AB. Okay, side AB means this one, the base. So the base is opposite to angle C. That means we have the base, that is 2x plus 5, right? So 2x plus 5. First we write, then we substitute the value of x, that is 5. So 2 times 5, 10, and 10 plus 5 equals to 15 centimeter, right? Now we use the trigonometry ratio. I hope that you guys understand which trigonometry ratio we use. The ratio is, write the answer in your comment. The ratio is tan theta, right? So tan angle ACB, opposite over adjacent, right? What is the opposite? Opposite is AB and adjacent is AC. And we substitute the value 15 over 8, right? Now we simplify that one. So that means we have angle ACB equals to tan inverse 15 over 8, okay? And 15 over 8 we do here the same, 15 over 8 we divide it, so we get 1.875. Okay, so you just simply calculate tan inverse 1.875. So you get angle ACB equals to 61.927, okay, or you say it's 61.9 degree to 1 decimal place, right? So this is the answer of the third question. Now we move to the part B of this question. So in the part B, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, triangle DEF has an area. The area is given. Find the size of the smallest angle of the triangle DEF. So in this one, you see that we just have the triangle ACB, not the triangle DEF. We just assume it. We have a triangle DEF. Okay, and we have the area as well. So first of all, previous angle, if we say, so the previous angle A, we have 90 degree, right? I just draw the triangle here, okay? And previous angle A, this one, A, B and C. Okay, so A is 90 degree, right? So previous angle A is 90 degree, and angle ACB we find into the last part, that is 61.9 degree. Okay, now for angle ABC, that is equals to, we subtracted 180 minus 90 and minus 61.9. So we subtract all the values, so we get 28.1 degree, right? Now therefore the smallest angle in triangle DEF is 28.1 degree. So this is the answer. 28.1 degree is the smallest angle. Now we work out on to the next question, the part B. To find the length of the shortest side of the DEF. Okay, so I just suggest you pause this video here and try to solve this one, because we already solved a lot of bit. Okay, so first we have the area of the previous one, like area of ABC is given, that is 60 centimeter square, and area of DEF, that is given 93.75 centimeter square. So first we find the scale factor. Okay, so area scale factor equals to, we just divide that one, 75 over 60. So once we divide it, so we get 1.5625, right? Now we calculate the linear scale factor, that is denoted by K. So K equals to the area scale factor. Okay, the area scale factor. What is the area scale factor we have? That is the 1.5625. Once we calculate it, so we get 1.25. Okay, now identify the shorter side of the triangle ABC using x equals to 5. I hope you remember we find the two values of x. One of them is positive and the other one is negative. We pick the positive one, that is x equals to 5. So x equals to 5 we pick. So AC, side AC we have 5 plus 3 equals to 8, right? And now side AB we just substitute here. I hope we already done this part into it before, just I write it. Okay, now BC we find. So BC we have, we just substitute the values. Okay, that means square that one, 8 square and 15 square. So we get the value 8 square is 64, right? And 15 square, that should be maybe 225 maybe. Look at this, 15 square 225, right? Okay, so we add them together and take the square root of that one. So this is a perfect square, that should be 17. So which one is shorter, 17, 15 or 8? You guys see that the 8 one is shorter. So the shorter side, this shorter side is AC equals to 8 centimeter. Now we calculate the shortest side of the triangle DF. This is the triangle ABC, the previous one. Okay, so shortest side DEF equals to the shortest side ABC. Okay, shortest side of ABC times K. Okay, what is the shortest side of ABC? That is the 8 times K. What is the value of K? That is 1.25. So we get the answer, that is 10. So the shortest side of the triangle DEF is 10 centimeter. Okay, so I write the answer here. 10 centimeter is the answer, because they want just find the size of the smallest angle of the triangle DEF, right? So this is the answer. Wait, I just marked the wrong one. This one, shorter side. Okay, shortest angle is 28.1 and shortest side is 10 centimeter. I hope you understand this question. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. I will meet you into the another lesson. Goodbye.